Our next topic is potential energy of charges in an external electric field. First, we will calculate potential energy of a single charge in an external electric field. In the previous topic, we have calculated electrostatic potential energy of a system of charges. In that case, the source of electric field, that is the charge and their locations, were specified. Now we have to determine potential energy of a charge in an external electric field which is not produced by given charges whose potential energy is to be calculated. The sources which produce electric field are unknown. And they are of no interest to us. The external electric field and potential, this may vary from point to point. If VR is electrostatic potential at a point P with position vector r vector, then amount of work done in bringing the unit positive charge from infinity to P, this will be VR. Then work done in bringing the charge, if VR is electrostatic potential at a point with the position vector r, then amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to P, this is V. Therefore work done in bringing test charge Q from infinity to P, this will be charge into potential. Charge is Q, potential is V. This work done is stored in the form of potential energy. Therefore potential energy of the single charge in an external electric field is QV, और VR वेक्टर भी लिख सकते हैं, QVR वेक्टर. Therefore this is the electrostatic potential energy of a single charge in an external electric field. Now we will calculate potential energy of a system of two charges in an external electric field. Suppose charges Q1 and Q2 are at position vector r1 and r2 vector in a uniform electric field of intensity E. Suppose charges Q1 and Q2, they are at position vector r1 vector and r2 vector in a uniform external electric field of intensity E. Work done in bringing charge Q1 from infinity to a point with position vector r1 is Q1 into VR1 vector. VR1 vector, this is potential at r1 vector due to external field. VR1 is potential at r1 due to external field. Now work done in bringing Q2 from infinity to position r2 vector is, this will be Q2 into VR2. VR2 is potential at this is potential at r2 vector due to external electric field E. Now in bringing the charge Q2 from infinity to R2, work has to be done against potential of charge Q1. In bringing Q2 from infinity to R2, work has also to be done against electric force of q1. Therefore that work done is potential into charge. Potential due to q1 is q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r12 into charge is q2. Now by adding w1, w2 and w3, we get the total work done in bringing the charge q1 and q2 to their respective position from infinity in an external electric field. Therefore total potential energy is w1 plus w2 plus w3. w1 is q1 into vr1, q2 is w2 is q2 into vr2, and w3 is q1 q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r1 2. Therefore by adding all these work done, we get the potential energy of system of two charges in an external electric field.